Elderflower light, 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 elderflower summery. Elderflower light, 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 elderflower summery. While I'm waiting for my sugar syrup to come to a boil, I just thought I'd introduce to you elderflowers in a different stage. So these are dried elderflowers that I've just left in a sunny place for a few days. They're nice and crispy now, and then I can keep these for herbal tea. So elderflower's got some fantastic properties. It's antiviral, so it can help lessen the symptoms of flu and colds. Okay, so my sugar syrup is ready. It's nice and hot and steaming, so I'm going to pour it over the elderflowers. There's also the lemon and orange zest is in here as well. Oh, so I start to get a fantastic smell, and you can see it's a bit steamy. And then I'm going to drop in, see if I can do this one-handed, slices and juice of lemon and oranges. Okay, so I just want to give this a little bit of a mulch, really. I really want all those flavours to come out of the fruits and infuse over the next 24 hours. Okay, so here is my elderflower cordial. It's been sitting and infusing for 24 hours. I wasn't sure whether I'd leave it longer because I've had quite a lot to do recently. But here it is, and it's looking lovely and colourful. It's wonderful to see the sun come through it as well. And I'm literally just going to pour this through a sieve. Got quite a fine sieve here, into another bowl and strain off all the fruit and flowers. I've just strained the cordial through a fine sieve, so I've still got all this wonderful flavour, and I'm literally just going to use my hands to squeeze all of these pieces of fruit just to get everything that I possibly can out of this. Well, a really nice thing is also to put the cordial into ice cubes, so you can kind of have little kind of portions of that ready. Great, so here's my elderflower cordial, diluted. Oh my god, I just love that flavour. It's so summery for me. Wonderful flavour of elderflowers, and then you've got a hint of lemon and orange, which isn't overpowering actually. Elderflower light, 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 elderflower summery. Elderflower light, 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 elderflower summery.